We have 3 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 multiply 5. Imagine you are building a little tower of blocks. You add 3 blocks, then 2 more. But then you have to follow a special rule when you see division and multiplication. They tell you what to do first before adding or subtracting. If you ignore that rule, the tower might fall apart. Let's learn the rule so we can solve this question correctly, right? So recall the order of operations. We use PEMDAS, right? Parentheses first, exponents, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction, right? So here there are no parentheses or exponents, so we start at multiplication and division, working from left to right, right? So first of all, division. So solve, right? 3 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 multiply 5. Now plus minus and multiplication. So multiplication first. 3 plus 2 minus 2 times 5, 10, right? So addition and subtraction from left to right. So plus first, 3 plus 2 5 minus 10. Now minus 5 from 10, so 5 with the minus sign.